fried chicken. Just hearing those words is enough to get mouths watering. But behind that crispy, golden bite lies a world most people never see. Every day, millions of people line up for a taste of KFC's iconic chicken. But how does the company deliver that same signature crunch and flavor across thousands of stores on nearly every continent? Today, we're taking you deep inside the industrial secrets of how KFC produces its legendary fried chicken at scale from egg to bucket. This is Process Revealed, and you're about to see just how far a chicken goes before landing on your plate. Before we jump into the modern machines and mass production, let's rewind. The story starts in the 1940s with Harlan Sanders. Long before he became the colonel, he was a small town entrepreneur, running a gas station and cooking meals for travelers. What set him apart? His obsession with flavor. He developed a pressure frying method to cook chicken faster without sacrificing taste. Then came his blend of 11 herbs and spices, a closely guarded recipe that became the cornerstone of the KFC empire. What began as a roadside meal became a global franchise, now operating in over 150 countries. KFC's production chain doesn't start in a kitchen, it starts in a hatchery. Massive poultry farms across the globe produce millions of eggs per week. These facilities are tightly controlled and meticulously managed. Egg laying schedules are planned to the hour, ensuring a continuous flow into incubators. Once inside, the eggs are kept at precise temperatures and humidity levels for about 21 days, the exact window needed for chicks to form. Right before hatching, some chicks are even vaccinated through the shell, using a process called in vivo vaccination. Only the healthiest chicks are selected for the next stage. The weak or underdeveloped ones are removed early. After hatching, chicks are transported in ventilated crates to contract farms designed for rapid growth. These aren't traditional barns. These are climate-controlled chicken warehouses holding tens of thousands of birds each. Automated feeders deliver a diet rich in protein, while sensors monitor everything from temperature to feed levels. It's all about efficiency and uniformity. Within 5 to 8 weeks, chickens are grown to their target weight, usually around 4 to 6 pounds. That timeline is incredibly fast, and it's one reason critics often raise concerns about animal welfare and farming ethics. When chickens reach the ideal size, it's time to harvest. In high-tech facilities, harvesting is often automated. Some plants use gentle suction systems or conveyor belts to move birds, reducing handling and minimizing stress. From here, birds are quickly transported to processing centers, where industrial systems take over. Now comes the part that few get to see, and some may find shocking. Chickens are first passed through a hot water bath to loosen feathers. Then, rotating machines with rubber fingers plug them clean in seconds. After that, chickens are moved to inspection zones, where human workers and AI-assisted cameras check for deformities, bruises, or leftover feathers. Those that don't meet standards are discarded or sent to secondary markets. The remaining birds are sent through automated cutters, with separate heads, legs, and organs. These byproducts are typically used in pet food, biofuels, or even fertilizers, ensuring minimal waste. Next, the chicken bodies are cut into standard pieces: breast, thigh, wing, drumstick, each piece sorted by weight and shape. Every chicken part undergoes another round of quality checks. Specialized machines scan each piece for consistency, while staff visually confirm texture, color, and thickness. Any irregularities, like broken bones or torn skin, are flagged and removed. Only the most visually appealing cuts move on to the next phase. Once sorted, chicken parts are packaged, flash frozen, or refrigerated and then shipped to regional KFC kitchens for final prep. At the restaurant level, the flavor magic begins. Every piece is marinated in a seasoned liquid mix, usually salt, spices, and water. This enhances tenderness and infuses flavor deep into the meat. But what everyone really wants to know is, how does the secret coating work? Here's what we know. Massive batches of breading are pre-blended using KFC's secret seasoning formula. Chicken pieces are tossed in huge tumblers or breading drums, ensuring an even, thin coating. Some facilities use air jets or vibrating belts to remove excess flour and keep the shape perfect. Even though it looks like handcrafted coating in ads, in reality, thousands of pieces are prepared are in a highly standardized process. Once coated, the chicken is par fried at the processing plant. This means it's lightly cooked just enough to set the breading. This step locks in moisture and ensures a golden crust. The final fry happens inside the restaurant just before serving, ensuring the inside is juicy and the outside is perfectly crisp. KFC uses pressure fryers, a method invented by Colonel Sanders himself. It allows for fast cooking without over drying the meat. But not everyone is clapping for crispy chicken. Animal rights activists have criticized KFC's suppliers for crowding chickens in tight spaces. Questions have also been raised about the use of antibiotics and growth accelerating feed. KFC states that it adheres to ethical sourcing guidelines and has denied claims about genetically modified or featherless chickens. But the debates continue. Transparency remains a hot topic in fast food farming, and more consumers are starting to ask tough questions. Whether you see it as a modern marvel of food engineering or a sign of a system that needs reform, one thing is clear. The path from egg to crispy fried chicken is a complex, multi-layered operation involving science, logistics, and serious business strategy. And it's not slowing down anytime soon. So now that you know the story behind the bucket, what do you think? Is this process efficient and impressive, or does it raise concerns? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And while you're at it, tell us, which piece is your favorite? Breast, thigh, or wings? And if this deep dive into chicken blew your mind, subscribe to Process Revealed so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.